All right, everybody, welcome back. This will be an update on the electrical. I believe that's where we left off on the last video. That's the shut-off switch, and it's all wired up and good to go. Battery box, and this shut-off switch, when activated, turns off the battery as well as the alternator. So let's go and have a look in here. All right, and this is our dash panel made with carbon fiber and phantom autometer gauges. Got that all squared away, and under there is our relay infused panel, ignition box, and distribution box and starter relay. So that's all squared away. And up here's our switch panel. We can go through, check some things out, hit ignition, and that activates our dash panel. And that's a GPS speedometer, and it just acquires a signal all on its own. And we got lights, got headlights up there. It also illuminates the dash panel, so all that works. And electric fan, you can probably hear it. That works. And fuel pump, that works. And let's go to water pump. That works. Can't hear it, it's kind of quiet. And lastly, starter. Starter works. So we are very, very close to starting this thing up. Oh, forgot the windshield wipers. Those work too. And that's about it so far. I'm hoping to get the transmission cooler mounted and run those lines and a few other little knickknacks to tidy up, and be getting this thing started up real soon. So that's it for this one, and I will see you all on the next one.